Hi everyone, it's Nick from Printerbase taking a first look at the brand new Samsung Xpress C1810W, and this machine is quite easy to maintain and use, so hopefully this won't take too long just to run you through and show you the machine in action. So we've got the paper tray, and this tray will hold A4 paper as standard, and for those who use the legal size paper it will extend by pressing this green switch here, and then it will hold that slightly longer paper, but we only use A4 here in the office, so I'm going to set it back to A4. And to put the paper in, put some A4 standard office paper here, just lift this lid and it slots in like so. And this is where it's quite interesting, you may not have seen this before. The multi-purpose feeder, that single sheet multi-purpose feeder, is here at the top, and the way you use it is we just put the tray back in the machine, just slightly open like so, and let's imagine this is a different type of paper to the one in the main tray, so perhaps it's a glossy sheet of paper or whatever. All you do is you just put them in between these two guides and it stops, and then you just close the tray, and what's actually happened is it's just pushed up against the end of the tray, so it will take this sheet instead of the sheets underneath in the main tray. So all you would do then is just close it and away you go, you can start printing. So let's print 5 pages just to give you an idea of how fast the machine is. These are our standard print samples, so get in touch with Printerbase if you want to see them for yourself, and we'd be more than happy to post them out. So it's going to have to just warm up, so it will take a few seconds just to get itself ready, but I can hear it coming. Here we go. So that's the multi-purpose sheet of paper that I put in, and these are now coming out of the main tray. Okay, the last one's coming now, there we go. And I've got to say the print quality is really good, but just get in touch with Printerbase because obviously you're not going to be able to see these in any real definition on the YouTube site. Okay, so now that I've done some printing on it, I'm going to unplug it, just show you around, show you inside, and then get in touch with us if you've got more questions. Okay, so right, so the first thing to show you is behind this panel here. There's a switch on top, and the panel pulls forwards, and there's a handle here. Anything that's green you can use to get access to something. There we go. So just slides open like that and it'll stop, so it won't fall onto the floor. And these are the 4 toner and drum units, and there's a handle for each one, so they come out very easily, and they're, you know, they're color coded, so that's black, can't really make a mistake. That one's the cyan, as I say, the drums there, and the toner's incorporated into the drum. There we go, and they're all the same, so very easy to exchange. The only other consumable that you can really get access to is here on the left of the machine, and you open up the door and there's a green switch again, just press the green switch and there's the little waste toner bottle, and that's it. There's no other consumables. All the other parts that the machine may need are huge life cycles of 100,000 or 200,000 pages, but they require an engineer call out to replace. But you shouldn't be buying this type of machine if you're doing that sort of volume. Get in touch with Printerbase if you need a high volume workhorse printer. Okay, so around the back, another door here that pulls open, and it gives you access if you do get a paper jam. We've not had any so far, touch wood. It seems to be a brilliant machine, and there's a fuser, so that does get hot, so just be careful when you go behind the machine. Okay, let's just close that. So while we're looking at the back of the machine, you can see a power switch, the connector for the power lead, you've got USB, you've got network, and it's got Wi-Fi, but there's no aerial, it's all built in. And on this side of the machine there's another panel here if you do want to add any extra memory. And these are just carry handles because it's not very heavy, so it's a great little machine. And if you've got any further questions though, give us a call. Our number is 0800 170 7234, and don't forget the website www.printerbase.co.uk. Oh, and also check out the YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/printerbase. I'm Nick, and thanks for watching.